Want to know how to change your username in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Usernames are pretty necessary for better privacy as well as visual names. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So you can just simply hit towards identify.plantnet.org and you should be there. So once you have one, that you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you're on this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile. So if you don't, you haven't been logged in, so make sure to log in. So I was uploaded a video, so watch it. So select my account right here once you have selected your profile, and now you can just simply scroll down a little bit until you see your username. So by default it should be your mail itself. In order to change it, you can just simply select any one of these right here, and you can just scroll down and select update, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.